how to create a debt payoff plan after divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the most important financial steps you can take after divorce is creating a clear, realistic debt payoff plan. Whether you're walking away with joint credit card balances, personal loans, or leftover bills, having a strategy in place can help you reduce stress and rebuild faster. Let's talk about how to get started. First, take inventory of all your debts, joint and individual. That includes credit cards, car loans, personal loans, and anything left over from the marriage. Check your divorce judgment to confirm who is legally responsible for what, and make sure all payments are up to date. Next, prioritize your debt. Consider using either the debt Snowball method, paying off the smallest balances first for quick wins, or the debt Avalanche method, which focuses on paying off the highest interest rates first. Pick the method that keeps you motivated and moving forward. We worked with a client who felt overwhelmed with a mix of personal and divorce-related debt. Once we helped her organize her obligations, set up a monthly budget, and focus on one account at a time, she gained control and paid off 3 credit cards in under a year. At Divorce 661, we help clients understand not just the legal division of debt, but how to follow through financially once the judgment is signed. We also provide post-divorce checklists to make sure you're closing joint accounts and avoiding future liability. It's also smart to set up automatic payments or reminders to avoid late fees. And don't forget to check your credit reports to make sure everything's reporting correctly, especially if accounts were supposed to be closed or transferred in the divorce. If you've finalized your divorce and need help building a smart, doable debt payoff plan, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you get organized, stay focused, and take the right steps toward financial freedom.